This could be the car for you. The 2020 Dodge Journey. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a versatile Dodge Journey that offers the family-friendly space and convenience you're looking for at a surprisingly affordable price. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, third row seat, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, intermittent wipers, auto dimming rear view mirror. Convenient versatility meets impressive value in this well-equipped Journey. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.